Hi guys, it's Tammy, and I know that I've done a couple hauls from Kylie already this little bit, but I have not been able to stop purchasing some things. I really enjoyed her makeup. Her lipstick is nice, it holds well and it stays well, and I just really enjoy it. And it's beautiful colors. So I found some more things that I needed. So let me just go ahead and open it up. So first I found this metal liquid lipstick and eyeliner, and it's called Naughty is the New Nice. And it says, for the best results, fill your lips with the lip liner, then top with 1 coat of matte liquid lip. This is a neat idea too, how she has it separated in here. I don't know, I kind of like that. Ooh, it's very red. Hopefully this will look good on me. Look at this metallic color. Ooh, I like it. I like the metallic red. That's kind of pretty. And then what is in here? I got a gray. It's called Frosty. And I think that everything I got today is for me, which is crazy. I don't usually do that, but I did. I might need to invest in one of her little... Ooh, that's so pretty. It's like silver. And since I wear a lot of black, this will look fine. I think. And this is a cream shadow in the color Sleigh Bells. That's S-L-A-Y Bells. Very pretty. Ooh, look at that. It's like a gold. Oh, how interesting. So I got a silver and a gold. That's pretty funny. I don't remember picking that out, but I like it. I like the metallic and the glittery, like not glittery, but like lightly glittered, sparkly. I don't know. I might be too old for it, but I don't care. Oh, that scared me. Whew. And this is called Monster. Look at that. It's kind of creepy. Oh my gosh, it is like green. Oh my word, what in the world was I thinking? Holy cow, it says Kylie. Okay, this does not look like something that I would pick out at all. But it looked like really dark on her, and I know what I was thinking. I was thinking that maybe I could wear them together. Maybe I could use this as a under or an over to make some of my other lipsticks kind of darker. And I can see that. I like to play with them a little bit like that anyway, so yeah, I'll go for it. I don't know that I'd be wearing it alone, but I might even try that one time just to see what it would look like. It doesn't look as green on as it did in the bottle. That is crazy though. So there's what we got. It's a great name for it, Monster, now that I understand it. But that's what I got, and I amazingly got stuff all for me, which yay. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, and check her out. I think that you might be surprised. It's not as expensive as I thought it would be, and she does have some pretty good sales. So what I got started on was you could get 2 for the price of 1. Buy 1, get 1 of the lipsticks, and they were $29 each. So getting 2, they were 2 for $29. So, you know, it's not a great deal, but it was a lot better than I would expect for a brand like this. So, I don't know. These are like $5 a piece, which is about normal. So it's not so bad. Check it out. Thanks, guys.